I know some people, they would die for me.
Porridge.
We run together. They're my family. When I get up, they gon' be high.
Hey guys, good afternoon. Welcome to this vlog. I'm going to pick Jasmine up from school. Normally it's my husband that is supposed to go pick Jasmine up this week, but yesterday I went to pick Jasmine. Today the same thing. Obi said he's very drained, tired. He just got back from work and he said he's so tired. By the way, he was even drinking medicine before I left the house, so I said okay, no problem, I'll go and pick her, but make sure to give me your card. I blackmailed this man. No? I said he should give me his card so I can get something for myself. He said no problem. So I took his card. I want to go to the African shop to get plantain chips, and I want to buy fish for soup. Tomorrow I'll be preparing. Maybe I'll get beans for moi moi. The last moi moi I did in 2025 just finished in February 2026. So I want to make another one and freeze them in the freezer. So it's rainy and very windy. You can see how the weather is. It's raining, very, very cold. So let me go bring my baby from school. I'm also expecting some package. Hopefully they come today because I've been waiting. Not that I bought this stuff for a very long time, but I just want everything I got to come now. I want to use some, although I don't want to use some are for Jasmine's birthday. The ones that came yesterday was so cute. I couldn't even do an unboxing. I think I'm too selfish for you guys. I don't do unboxing. Why? Anytime I think about unboxing, I'll be like, oh, this video will be too long. That's why I don't do unboxing. But very soon in 2026 I'll start unboxing for you guys. I'll see you guys later. Baby fire, my happy desire. Oh yeah, that's
I know some people, we run together. They're my family. When I get up, they gon' be high with me. I'll stay forever. My family, solid as they
beans, shall I? No, let's cook
doing it just for fun.
beans.
Baby, one by one. Baby, and when the day is done, I tell my family.
Hi, Jasmine. Ciao. Yeah, take your umbrella.
Bella.
Yes. Let's go. Good evening. Here is small. And now you have to carry our umbrella.
Know some
Oh yeah, move gently. Hey guys. Good evening. Welcome back to this vlog. Hey guys, I've been in the kitchen since morning. This is what the time is saying. It's currently 8:37 p.m. Today is 20th February. Yesterday I took you guys along when I went to the African shop. I said I want to make moi moi. You guys, I changed my mind. Dying minute, I decided to make something else. I did like what's it called? Yam porridge with beans. And I also made other dishes. You guys, I've been in the kitchen since morning. I bake, cook. Like, I bake, cook. Is that correct? Yes, I don't know. Hey, you guys that normally cook varieties of food the same day at a go, how do you do it? Especially when you have toddlers or babies with you. It's very stressful. Today I tried it and I almost fainted. I had to leave the kitchen since morning. I think I finished up around 3 or 3:30. Yeah, 3:30 thereabout. Then I just went to bed because I was smelling meat. I hate the smell of goat's meat or ram, you guys. I was smelling meat. So I just went to the bathroom, had shower, and never returned to the kitchen until this evening that I prepared meal for the kids. They've eaten, everyone is fine, all of them, they've had their dinner. I've not eaten yet and I don't even feel like eating, that's the truth. So let me show you guys what I prepared today. Like, I prepared a lot of stuff and we still have some things here. Let me bring the camera closer so I can show you guys what your girl prepared today. So I made a goosey soup. I have to pack this up and put in the freezer. I made pepper soup. This pepper soup, Obi already eaten from inside. I wanted to just do like those shaki, liver and co, but because Obi added some few goat's meat, that's what you are seeing inside. And I just needed it the way I was craving it, you can see. But at the end of the day, I added some goat's meat for hubby. This is the porridge. I ate out of it. I gave Jasmine, I gave Diana. Diana didn't like it. Why Jasmine? She just ate the yam and left the beans for my ancestors. Hubby also ate a little portion of it this evening. So this is the remaining meat. Let me show you guys. This is the remaining meat because I boiled a lot of meat. So this one I'm just going to put it in the fridge. In the freezer. So when next I want to cook, I will use it. So this is everything I prepared today. This porridge, oh my god, it tastes really nice. I don't really prepare porridge all the time. So this is what I made. Why Jasmine and Diana for dinner? Jasmine had noodles and egg for dinner. Diana had like minestrone, which is like small tiny pasta. I don't know if you guys know it, but that is what Diana had. So for me, I don't want to eat any of this. I will show you guys what I want to eat now. Let me just prepare a salad. I want to eat salad, although it's even late. I'm not supposed to eat anything, but I have boiled eggs, so I'll just eat it with salad. You guys, what I'm having for this evening is this salad. With egg. This egg I have I just added a sprinkle of salt, black pepper, olive oil, and that's all. If you are trying to lose weight, please don't eat by this time of the night. It's not advisable. But I've been editing videos, busy with something else, just doing some things with my phone. That's the reason why I even ate this late. Normally, once it's 6, 7, you will not see food in my mouth again. But I have to eat something. I've not eaten since, except for lunch. I ate during lunchtime, so I can't sleep like that. Diana is still breastfeeding, so during the night time, she'll breastfeed till the next morning. And if I don't eat anything or put anything in my stomach so I can drink enough water, I won't be able to sleep. The way my stomach will be biting me. So I needed to eat something so I can drink enough water. I might finish this bottle of water before going to bed. I don't know. I drink a lot of water. Hey guys, we are out here in the garden. Happy Sunday. I have cold. In fact, myself, Jasmine, and Diana have cold. And Diana brought this. Sorry, Jasmine brought this flu, and we all have cold. Apart from their dad. I don't know. I was just craving ice cream. I said, okay, let's come get ice cream. Imagine having cold and still want to lick ice cream. But unfortunately, they are closed. Maybe they will open in the evening because it's 2:30 p.m. right now, or maybe 3:30. I don't know when they will open. So we just came to this garden to have fun. What?
What is this?
Go, I'm coming.
Okay.
So we are in the garden. That's Obi there with Diana. The sun is very hot and I'm happy for this sun.
I know some people, they would die for me. We run together.
Jazzy, here I come.
They're my family. When I get up, they gon' be high with me. I'll stay forever. My family, solid as they come. They be doing it
Go.
just for fun, baby, one by one, baby, and when the day is done, I count Daddy.
Daddy said he doesn't want. See. Grazie. Yeah, let's go. Jasmine, cheers. Cheers. Ciao.
I know some people,
Ooh, tiny Sammy.
they would die for me.
That's why you're
We
enjoying it.
run together.
Are you enjoying it?
They're my family. When
Hello.
I get up,
You guys want? You read gelato, not cold stone. That beauty they call in Nigeria, cold stone. You read gelato. Sorry, yo. I'm not making jest of cold stone, but this one, you read gelato. Come to Italy to lick ice cream, to lick gelato. When you hear of Italy, what comes to your mind first? Gelato.
Thank you for watching.